Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ownership fixes with Chown and Chmod. Quick tutorial step-by-step click. To activate ownership fixes with Chown and Chmod, begin by opening your terminal. First, identify the file or directory whose ownership you want to change. Use the command lsl to view the current ownership details of the file or directory. To change the ownership of a file or directory, use the chown command followed by the new owner's username and the file name. For example, type chown username file name to change the owner to the specified username. If you want to change both the owner and the group, use the command chown username or group name file name. To change the ownership recursively for a directory and all its contents, add the flag. For instance, type chown or username directory name. Next, let's adjust permissions using the chmod command. To view the current permissions of a file or directory, again use lsl. The chmod command changes the permissions for the file or directory. You can set permissions using numeric values or symbolic notation. For example, to give the owner read, write, and execute permissions, use chmod 700 file name. To provide read and execute permissions to everyone, use chmod 755 file name. To adjust permissions recursively for a directory, add the flag as well. For example, chmod 755 directory name applies this permission to all files and subdirectories. After adjusting ownership and permissions, verify the changes with lsl again. This command will display the updated ownership and permission settings. By following these steps, you effectively activate and manage file ownership and permissions in your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.